What is going on, guys? And today we're going to be replacing the coolant tank on Ford Transit Connect, which is 2010. It's going to work from 2010 till 2015 or 2008 or whatever. But anyway, we're going to be replacing due to the leak at the top portion here. We have a whole bunch of cracks, but we have like a little kind of deeper crack, and which is basically leaking the coolant at the two spots. Might be somewhere else, but that's what I've seen so far. So we wanted to have car completely cold, undo the filling cap. We want to undo the 10 mil to the body of the car. There are no sensors or anything, so at the top we have a tab. Anyway, we don't want it to remove completely. We don't want to make a lot of mess. So we're gonna be using the hand pump, and we're gonna take as much fluid from inside of the tank and make the level as low as possible to not spill anything. But after all, I think we're good here. So first I'm gonna remove two top housings and kind of keep them up in the air. So if you cannot twist it with the hands, just use pliers to basically break the rubber loose. At least one portion. So you might want to get kind of a little bit of tape and make sure it stays in the same position. Undo the clamp. Do the same procedure. Kind of wanted to get the coolant down. Just try not to spill anything. And as you can see, it's totally possible. Get the new tank, connect it, and voila. Let's pop the bastard back. We can bolt it back because it's probably going to be easier for right now. Inspect the line and make sure it's not broken. They kind of sucks. That's what I would say. And they're not as good as I would want to see them, but it is what it is. Voila! Brand spanking new. I think that should be good, just in between of the minimum and maximum, the original cap back. Anyway guys, that was it for that video, and if you like it, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave a comment below. I'll see you next one.